today was the interpreter, the Mongolian interpreter, who is living in Malaysia now, has been accepted as a formal interpreter to interpret in the entire case as far as in respect of the Mongolian witnesses. We have 3 Mongolian witnesses who we propose or intend to call. So we'll be starting tomorrow with Mr. Shaariibuu himself. And of course, one of the children, the 4th plaintiff, the youngest child of the deceased Altantuya, he also passed away, I think, was it last year? Last year. 2017. So as such, he's, of course, he can't continue the suit being deceased, so we've withdrawn or discontinued his part of the suit against the defendants. But the rest, the other 3 plaintiffs, the suit continues against the 4 defendants.
Can you tell us what happened inside chambers?
Chambers, of course, we are just discussing, things like timing and how long we will take and things like that. Just issues to do with the how we are going to go about with the trial.
Right.
Yeah.
How come Azila and Cyril were not represented?
They chose not to represent. They did not appoint any solicitors.
Okay.
Yeah, that's their choice.
So there's no lawyers, but they're still part of the suit?
They are part of the suit, of course.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright.
Other than Mr. Setter, who's the other witness?
Another lady from Mongolia and the 3rd plaintiff, Altantuya's son, Mr. Setter's grandson. Yeah, the 3rd plaintiff in the suit.
How old was the younger son? Is it when he passed?
I think he's 15. Yeah, 15. Passed away in 2017.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, just one more thing. Now that the government has put a moratorium on the death sentence, are you going to push for Cyril's extradition?
Well, I don't think. Of course, I've said this before. The Australian government, even if there's a moratorium, I don't think they will send him back as long as the death penalty is still in existence. Until and unless the death penalty in drug cases, at least, is repealed, then the Australian government will extradite him, or will have no reason to keep him there further. So even if there's a moratorium, it doesn't make a difference as far as the Australians are concerned.
How many witnesses in total are you planning to call on your end?
Of course, we have a list of about 80 witnesses, but not necessarily that we won't necessarily call all of them at the moment. Maybe around 20 to 30 at the moment, and we'll see how things develop. 80, yes. That's the formal list, but it's not. We won't necessarily call all of them.
There was a wait after 2007, waiting for the criminal case to be over, so it's over at federal court, and now it's a few years. And now
the federal court, it ended in the federal court in 2015.
Yeah.
Then we during the criminal case, during the High Court and the appeals in the Court of Appeal and Federal Court, this civil suit was stayed pending the conclusion of all the criminal matters and appeals. So that ended in 2015. So after that, I think it was in January or February 2015. Immediately after that, we wrote into court for this matter to be revived, and the court fixed it for case management after that. So, and then of course in that period, there was the government of Malaysia, the 4th defendant, applied to strike out the suit, and they succeeded initially in the High Court, and so we took it up on appeal to the Court of Appeal, which allowed our appeal. So now they have been ordered to come back and be part of the suit. So that also contributed to the delay, because there was an appeal within the civil suit itself. So now all that is over and done with. So now we are starting with the trial.
What do you feel now that it has taken so long for this case to finally start tomorrow, the trial?
Well, I think it's a good. We are looking forward to it. I think we are relieved that it's finally kicking off. It's a very long, outstanding case. The actual incident itself happened in 2006. That was 13 years or 12 years ago. We are determined to at least get things moving. Although we don't know if we would be able to complete the entire case in the time fix in this next week or two, because of the number of witnesses that need to be called. But at least it's a good start. At least that we have started. Okay.